vacation paradise. Mountains to the north and the south. Oceans to the east and west. A hospitable climate and low crime. Why go to LA? Why go to New York? Detroit, visit Detroit, greater metropolitan Detroit area, Oakland and Macomb. Cancel that trip to the Caribbean. Skiing in Colorado.
Goodbye, Aspen.
Forget Disneyland in Florida. Your vacation paradise is right here. Why go to Rome? Why go to Milan? Why go to Paris? You got Detroit. Go to Detroit. Greater metropolitan Detroit area, including Macomb and Wayne. Why go to Madrid? Why go to Berlin? Why go to New York? Got Detroit, right here in Detroit.